Let's make some pecan pie bars. Let's get started. Okay, so you preheat your oven to 350. You're going to need 2 cups of all-purpose flour and a cup of brown sugar. Okay, you're going to need 2 sticks of butter. And you're going to use a pastry cutter or a fork. Cut this into the flour so you can make dough. And this is going to be your crust. Okay, so when you get to this point where it's just coarse little crumbs, that's when you need to get your 13 by 9 pan, and we're going to press this into the bottom. It's okay if it's not perfect. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like before it goes into the oven. You'll put it in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes, and while we wait for that to come out, we'll go ahead and start our topping. Okay, so now that our shortbread crust is in the oven, we are going to make our topping. You are going to need 5 eggs, and we're going to do a cup of corn syrup. Recipe calls for dark, but I always use light on all my pecan pie recipes. I don't want my filling to be dark colored. Now, let me get the crust over here. Now, you will stick this back in the oven for 50 minutes. And then we will let the bars cool and then cut them into bars. And I will show you that process when it comes out. See you back here in a few minutes. Okay, y'all, this is the end result of the pecan pie bars. They turned out perfect. Crunchy on top, soft underneath. Looks like a winner, especially for this fall season. See y'all later.